Have you ever scrubbed your toilet over and over again, only to find those stubborn yellow stains and unpleasant odors keep coming back? Or maybe you've looked at the dirty grout between your floor tiles and thought there's no way it will ever look clean again. Well, today I'm going to show you a powerful cleaning solution that completely changed the way I clean my home. I learned this trick from a professional home cleaning expert. And ever since then, my bathroom has stayed cleaner, fresher, and brighter with much less effort. The best part? This simple homemade solution doesn't just work on toilets. It can also restore dirty grout lines, remove tough stains from sinks, brighten countertops, clean walls, and tackle many other household cleaning challenges. So if you're ready to make your home sparkle again, keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to make it and how to use it. Before we begin, take a look at this toilet. You can see the yellow stains around the bowl, mineral buildup, and those unpleasant marks that seem impossible to remove no matter how much you scrub. And if you've ever dealt with bad bathroom odors, you know how frustrating it can be when the smell keeps returning even after cleaning. Now imagine getting rid of all of that with a simple mixture made from common household ingredients. Let's make it. For this cleaning mixture, you'll need 1 cup of floor cleaner, 1 cup of baking soda, 1 cup of liquid detergent, 1 cup of white vinegar, a small amount of water. Start by taking a large container or mixing bowl. First, pour in 1 cup of floor cleaner. Next, add 1 cup of baking soda. Then add 1 cup of liquid detergent. After that, slowly pour in 1 cup of white vinegar. You'll notice some fizzing and bubbling as the vinegar reacts with the baking soda. That's completely normal. Finally, add a small amount of water to help combine everything. Mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are well blended and you have a smooth cleaning solution. And that's it. Your powerful multi-purpose cleaner is ready to use. Testing it on the toilet. Now let's put this solution to the test. Take some of the mixture and pour it directly into the toilet bowl, making sure it reaches the stained areas. Allow it to sit for a few minutes so the ingredients can begin loosening dirt, stains and build-up. After waiting, use a toilet brush to scrub the bowl as you normally would. Pay close attention to the stained areas. Look at that. You can already see the dirt starting to lift away. The yellow discoloration begins breaking down, and the bowl becomes noticeably cleaner with every pass of the brush. Now let's flush. Watch closely. The difference is incredible. The toilet looks brighter, cleaner, and far fresher than before. Many of the stains that seemed impossible to remove are gone, leaving the bowl looking almost brand new. 2. Cleaning dirty grout lines. But the magic doesn't stop there. One of my favourite uses for this mixture is cleaning grout lines. Over time, grout absorbs dirt, grease, soap residue and dust, causing it to become dark and stained. Even beautiful tile floors can start looking old simply because the grout is dirty. To clean grout lines, pour some of the solution into a spray bottle. Spray it directly onto the stained grout. Make sure the surface is evenly covered. Let it sit for several minutes so it can penetrate the dirt. Next, use a brush, old toothbrush or cleaning cloth to scrub the grout. Look at the difference. The dark stains begin lifting away almost immediately. As you continue scrubbing, the original colour of the grout starts to reappear. After wiping away the residue, the grout looks dramatically cleaner, almost as if the floor was newly installed. It's one of the easiest ways to refresh the appearance of your bathroom or kitchen without spending money on expensive products. 3. Restoring a dull sink. Another area where this solution works amazingly well is the sink. Over time, sinks often develop water spots, soap scum, mineral deposits, and dull patches that make them lose their shine. If your sink looks tired and stained, this method can help restore its appearance. Apply the cleaning solution directly to the sink surface. Use a sponge or soft cloth to spread it evenly. Pay special attention to areas with visible build-up or staining. Allow the mixture to sit briefly. Then begin scrubbing gently. You'll notice that water scale and grime start loosening quickly. After rinsing thoroughly, the results are impressive. The sink regains its shine and brightness, reflecting light beautifully. It can look almost as spotless and glossy as a mirror. Other ways to use this cleaner. One reason I love this recipe is its versatility. Beyond toilets, grout and sinks, it can also be used on bathroom walls, kitchen countertops, floor tiles, utility sinks, laundry room surfaces, many other washable household areas. Whenever you encounter stubborn dirt, stains, or build-up, this mixture can help make cleaning easier and more effective. Since learning this cleaning trick from a professional cleaning expert, it's become one of my favourite household hacks. It's simple to prepare, uses ingredients that many people already have at home, and can help tackle multiple cleaning jobs with a single solution. Whether you're dealing with toilet stains, unpleasant odours, dirty grout lines, or a dull sink, this method can help bring back that clean, fresh look we all want in our homes. If you found this cleaning tip helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below, letting us know where you would try this cleaning solution first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next cleaning tip video.